Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility, and here you can find TalkBack. So here you can enable it, tap OK, and after that TalkBack will be turned on.
Optimize foreground apps cannot run when TalkBack is on.
So basically,
Navigate up button. Double tap to activate.
So basically this mode is mainly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen. So for example, you tap on this arrow
Navigate up button.
and it says like navigate up button. You tap on the TalkBack banner and it says you TalkBack. So basically you tap on any text or any banner and this whole text gets spoken out loud. For example, you tap on some button or switch, and it also tells you that you can double tap to toggle it. So you don't have to double tap specifically on this switch, but you can double tap anywhere on the screen like this. Okay, double tap. And that's how you can turn it off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.